PP Control and Automation is one of the largest manufacturers of control and automation solutions in Europe. You name it, we have a customer that's probably involved in that industry.
PP Control actually produce cable looms, and what we tend to do with the process is put idents on either side so that the person that's building the looms can actually see the ident number and it can actually go straight into the position that it needs to go. The print quality has to be perfect. It has to be very readable, clear and precise. We purchased Markem-Imaje 9450E printers. They're actually more reliable.
The 9450E is a fully integrated system with the Scherlinger printer. It has a full touchscreen that we've integrated into the printer, which allows for easier use. So we have two printers set up currently with the Scherlinger power strip. We have a 9450E, which is our standard black ink printer, and we have our 9450EC, which is our contrast printer, which uses a white ink.
The majority of cables are grey, so we use a black ink on there, which is just dye related, and then on any other cable we might use the white ink because that's got different products within it to stop ultraviolet, so it don't fade the ident when it's been printed on.
So the 9450E allows you great printing speeds. It means that they're guaranteed the highest quality print at those speeds.
The build quality, when you open the doors and look inside, everything is built to a high standard. The outside stainless steel, the print head itself, everything is absolutely perfect. The heads clean themselves when you shut down at night, where with previous printers you have to physically clean them down.
The power panels took advantage of our Smile deal, where they lease the machines over a set period. Included within that is the maintenance. Twice a year we visit power panels to service the contrast machines, and we visit once a year to maintain the 9450E black machines.
They supply all the parts. If they break down, they're there within 24 hours to come in and repair the product, so we've got it moving and running. And we're lucky that we've actually got printers here from Markem-Imaje that do the job and do the job 100% perfect.